If you are a spouse seeking spousal maintenance, there are two things you have to show the court. One, you have to have been married for at least 10 years, and number two, you have to establish for the court that upon divorce, you will lack sufficient resources to meet your minimum reasonable needs. The classic example of a spouse receiving spousal maintenance would be a stay-at-home mom who has been married for at least 10 years and hasn't been in the workforce and doesn't really have the skills to start working again upon divorce. As far as the amount and duration of spousal maintenance, that depends on the length of your marriage. If you've been married for 10 years, the maximum duration of alimony is 5 years. If you've been married for 20 years, the maximum duration is 7 years. And if you've been married for at least 30 years, the maximum duration is 10 years. The amount of spousal maintenance also has a cap. The cap is 20% of your spouse's gross monthly income or $5,000, whichever figure is lower. It's important to remember that the court may not necessarily award the maximum in your case.